Welcome to Storm Team 12 New Hampshire. Never mind. This station will be paused for the emergency alert system starting now.
The White House, including the National Weather Service, have issued a presidential alert for the entire United States. The president announced that he made this alert just to say something over Canada. This also includes a message.
My fellow Americans, this winter version of spring isn't going well and making our citizens freeze to death. In order to stop this North American crisis, we have to declare war on Canada. He's the one who made those global freezing power plants. And we have to stop it by going into their country and taking down the power plants. We will take their land as well because we won't want this crisis to happen again. So, in the name of America, I officially declare war on Canada.
Event type is attack. The United States have declared war on us because of our power plants. What you do, go to your basement or a nearby bunker. When you do it, when you see an army nearby. How you do it, walk or car. Why, our global freezing power plants.
Le type d'ement est attaque. Les unes nous on de la guerre cause de nos centrales électriques. Si que vous faites, les dans votre sous-sol dans un bunker proximate. Quand vous le faites, quand vous voyez un arme proximate. Comment faire, pas de en voiture. Pourquoi, nos centrales électriques mondiales de congestion.